Guys, so this weird thing today. There is EAS on both of my TVs. Let's start 12-inch. Polaroid 15.6-inch. Connected to some speakers. Just keep you guys updated.
The National Weather Service.
This is really weird. I've never experienced one of these in my life. They're both connected to aerial right now. This is really weird. I'm actually super scared right now. Outside doesn't look too bad, but there's the alerts.
Remain over suburban areas of Springfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, get a vehicle.
This is really weird, guys. I'm saying to you, I've never experienced one of these before, but yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.